In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone messages appearing green instead of blue. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, open the Settings app and then go to Cellular right here. Turn cellular data off the toggle at the very top, and after a few seconds, go ahead and turn it back on. Then go ahead and return to the main settings page and open Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a working network. And once that's done, go ahead and turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then switch it back off. I like doing this through the control center, and the top left, you'll see that airplane icon. Tap on it. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. Next, search for messages in the settings bar and open it. Scroll down to where it says iMessage and switch the toggle off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Once you do that, you can press the send and receive option right under it and make sure your phone number is selected. If that doesn't work, go back to the main screen in settings and go down to General. I'll go all the way down and press transfer or reset iPhone. Press the reset option, then reset network settings. Finally, you can force restart your iPhone by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Keep in mind that messages will stay green when texting someone who doesn't use iMessage. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.